This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Colleagues, we are in the third year of the pandemic caused by coronavirus. In these years, people of India have displayed profound faith in the democratic values, discipline, and sense of responsibility at a time when India is celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav on the occasion of 75th year of its independence. This willpower of every Indian creates immense confidence for India's bright future. With this confidence, I extend my greetings to every Indian from this historic central hall of the Parliament, addressing both the houses of Parliament assembled together today. I salute lakhs of freedom fighters who gave the highest priority to their duties and secured the rights of India. I also salute all the great personalities for their contribution in the development journey of our country in these 75 years of independence. Para, in this period of Amrit Mahotsav, special events related to great personalities of the country are also inspiring us. My government is celebrating the sacred occasion of the 400th Prakash Parv of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the 150th birth anniversary of Sri Aurobindo, and the 150th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose with glory. My government believes that remembering the past and learning from it are equally important for a secure future of the country. The Amrit Mahotsav is a sacred occasion for all the Indians to give concrete shape to the resolutions for the next 25 years. Government is moving fast on building a strong foundation for the next 25 years following the mantra Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas. The challenging period of Corona has inspired us to achieve our goals at the fastest possible pace. Para, honorable members, the COVID pandemic affected the entire world, and in India too many of our loved ones were snatched away from us. In these circumstances, the central government, the state governments, the local governments, our doctors, nurses, and health workers, our scientists, and entrepreneurs have worked as a team. This mutual trust, coordination, and cooperation between the government and citizens is an unprecedented example of the strength of our democracy. For this, I appreciate every health worker, every front line worker, and every citizen. An example of India's capability in the fight against COVID-19 is evident in the ongoing COVID vaccination program. today we are among the leading countries in the world with the highest vaccine doses administered. Grand success of this campaign has given a shield to the country. Stop and over.